Good morning, children. Today we will continue with exercise 2.3. Okay. What is this 8.3 is very important exercise for higher classes. Solve. Okay, the question will be, they'll ask us solve 7x minus 5 is equals to 2x. First, by reading the question, you should understand that what you have to do it. What you have to do, how you will understand? Solve by seeing this, you should assume or you have to think that you should find out the value of the variable. In this equation, what is the variable here? X is called variable. Okay. What you have to do is you have to bring variables to one side, constants to other side. Okay. How you have to do? 7x. It is a term, okay, in which variable is along with it is there here. Minus 5, only constant, only number is there here. What you have to do is, this 7x I am writing as it is, and is equal to right hand side for this equation you have plus 2x. 2x before no symbol is equal to and 2x. Between these two you should not you are not seeing any symbol, means it is plus 2x. Plus 2x you are taking to left side, that's it becomes minus 2x. So you have to keep is equal to sign. Minus 5 you are transposing to right side, it becomes plus 5. Now what you have to do? 7x minus 2x. X means, imagine x means chocolates. 7 chocolates minus 2 chocolates. 7 chocolates your father brought it and you ate 2 in that. How many chocolates will be remained? 5 chocolates. So 5x is equal to 5. So here also same. 5 chocolates cost 5 rupees. I want 1 chocolate cost. So x will be here only. 5x means 5 into x. 5 is multiplied to x. Bring 5 to this side. 5 divided by 5. If you cancel, you are getting x is equals to 1. So solve means you should do the problem until you should get the value of x. Okay. Then go for second problem in this. What is second problem? What is given in this is 5x minus 12 is equals to, how much they given? 2x minus 6. They given like this. So the first step which you have to do is variables and constants separated. Bring constants to one side, variables to one side. Okay. If you go to a market, what you will do? Your mother or father, they will bring vegetables, and all vegetables will carry from market to house in one bag only. After coming to home, what you will do is you will separate all the vegetables. Each vegetable will keep in one cover or something, and you will keep in refrigerator. Same here, what you have to do is like terms, unlike terms. So here 12 and 5x both are unlike terms. So what you have to do is you have to bring like terms to one side, unlike terms means okay, like terms you have to separate it. Here 5x, okay, 2x is there, bring to left side, minus 2x. Here already minus 6 is there, bring minus 12 to here, plus 12. Here important one is 5x before plus symbol, 2x before minus symbol. If you are seeing different symbols, you have to do subtraction. Okay. So if anyone asks what is the value of 5 minus 2, you will say obviously 3. So 5 minus 2 is 3 means 5x minus 2x is how much, means you have to say 3x. This and this are equal. This is the problem which you will do in second class or third class. This is the problem which you are doing in 8th class. So here you are feeling some difficulty because you are seeing x, but x is nothing but 1 letter. So here it is 3x, okay. Here minus 6 plus 12, minus 6 plus 12. Some students will feel very difficult by seeing this one. It's not difficult, it's very easy. So, this minus 6 I am writing here, this plus 12 I am writing front. Now students will say that it is very easy. 12 minus 6, they will say the answer as 6. See, these two are same, this and this are same only. Minus 6 plus 12 minus 6, both are same. But in this pattern, students will feel very easy. In this pattern, students will feel very difficult because of in lower classes, you won't practice with these sums. Okay. Now listen carefully. 6 is having minus, 12 is having plus. So these two are not same symbols. If you are not seeing same symbols, you have to do subtraction. So which number? 12 is greater, 6 is greater, 12 is greater. For greater number, which symbol you have? Plus. In answer also you will have plus. So plus subtraction, 12 minus 6, 6 only. The answer is 6. Okay. Same, what you have to do is in right hand side, minus 6 plus 12, answer you have to write 6. 3x means, I said 3 into x is 6. Here you have to imagine 3 chocolates cost 6 rupees. 3 chocolates 6 rupees means 1 chocolate how much? What you will do? X keep it here. 6 will go to numerator. So I am writing somewhat smaller. Is equal to just opposite is equal to keep divided by. This 3 I should bring to denominator. Why? 3 is multiplying to x, so you have to bring to denominator. 3 should divide. Now 3 table you have to read. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. X is equals to 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but x is equals to 2. Solve means I said you have to do the problem until you are making x as subject. Okay. Next we will go for next problem. See, these problems you will understand when you are doing a problem with your own. Being you are having smartphones with you, you can see different problems in your internet, and you have to do practice. Okay. If you practice, then only you can do the problems. Now one more question I will do, fourth question, that is solve 8m plus 9 is equals to 7m plus 8. Same what I said to you, bring like terms to one side. 8m is there, 7m is there. Bring 7m to here. Already here 8m plus 7m, it is coming to here means 7m. Already here 8 plus 9, take to this side, 8 minus 9. 8m minus 7m is m. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. M is equal to minus 1. Now we will go for 8th problem. What is 8th problem? I will write on the board here, 8th question. 3 into t minus 3 is equals to 5 into 2t minus 1. See, it is somewhat tough problem than previous one. Okay. Now distributive property A into B plus C. If anyone will ask, it will come in 5th and 6th classes. Distributive property is nothing but A into B plus A into C. Means here whatever number is there, this number should multiply to this one and this one. Here same symbol you have to keep it in the middle. Same you are doing here. Okay. So what I am doing is this 3 into is same. First I am multiplying with t. This symbol as it is I am keeping. Again 3 into this symbol I am writing. This is completed. Is equal to I am writing here. Again A into B minus C. With 5 I have to multiply 2t and also 1. What I have to write? 5 into 2t minus 5 into 1. Now what you have to do? See. First you open the brackets. Here also you have to obey BODMAS rule. The rule is nothing but first brackets These are called braces. Okay, that you have to open. Means first you have to open the brackets, or inside the brackets, whatever you have, it should be simplified. O means off means into, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, S means subtraction. In this order only you have to do. We should not do other than the order, we should not do the problem. Okay. Now 3 into t is 3t, 3 3s are 9, 5 into 2t, 10t, minus 5. Now what I said, should bring variables to one side, I said or not? Now 10t is there, plus 3t I am taking to that side. Here already you have minus 9, minus 5 is coming here, plus 5. Already 10t is there, you are taking 3t to this side, minus 3t. From 10t minus 3t, 10 minus 3 is how much, means you will say 7. 10t minus 3t is 70. Minus 9 plus 5, see here. So many students will say, minus 9 plus 5 means minus, this minus they will write here, 9 plus 5, 14 they will write. It is wrong. First what I said to you, in this 9 is having minus, 5 is having plus. Same symbols are there or different symbols are there? Different symbols. Different symbols means subtraction only. Okay, different symbols means subtraction. So what you have to do is, you should do subtraction. Which number is greater? 5 is greater or 9 is greater? 9 is greater. So greater number is having which symbol? Minus. So in answer you will get minus. From 9 subtract 5, 4. So 70 is equal to minus 4. And t is equals to minus 4 by 7. Okay. Next, another problem we will see. Like this, which one? 14 problem I will do. What is 14 problem? See it here. 3 into n minus 4 plus 2 into 4n minus 5 is equals to 5 into n plus 2 plus 60. Some problem is there like this. It's very easy, just like before problem only. In before problem they gave here 1 is equal to 1 more they given. But here he added more terms, that's it. You are seeing somewhat lengthy, but it is very easy. First see this only. This 3 should be multiplied with n and 4. This symbol as it is have to keep. 3 into n minus 3 into 4. So this I simplified and I wrote here. Next come for this one. Plus 2. This 2 into this one. Plus 2 into 4n plus 2 into minus 5. So this is completed. Now come for RHS. What you have? 5 into n, 5 into 2 plus 16. Now simplification. 3 into n is 3n. 3 4s are 12. 2 4s are 8n. Plus into minus, minus 10 is equals to 5n plus 10 plus 16. So what I said is, okay, see here, minus 12 plus 8n. It is a term which is having variable. This is constant. We can't add. See, so many students 2 plus 8n, they will write 10n because 2 plus 8 they will add it. It's wrong. Why it is wrong? 2 means what? 1 plus 1. 8n, how you are getting? N plus n plus n plus n plus this 8. So can you add these two? No, we can't add. But maximum students 2 plus 8, 10 and they'll write. It is wrong. We should not do addition like this. Now here what you have to do is like terms you should take to one side. N's, whatever are there, you have to bring to one side. Remaining numbers take to that side. Here 3n plus 8n, 5n you are taking this side. Minus 5n is equals to, already here you have 10 and 16 numbers. From here to here you are taking plus 12 plus 10. Then 3n plus 8n is how much? 11n minus 5n. Here if you add this entire 10, 20, 36, 38, 48. So 11n minus 5n is 6n is equals to 48. N is equal to how much? 48 by 6. 6 8s are. N is equals to 8. To learn these problems, okay, the homework is every student should learn 20 tables perfectly. If we don't know tables 2 to 20, it's very important, and you have to learn tables. Okay. These problems, this exercise 2.3 completed, we will see in the next class. Thank you.